Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the case and removing earbuds so you can focus on the charging port assembly. Use a T5 driver and a plastic pick to open the seam. This prevents scratching the lacquer. Once done, keep tiny screws in a labeled container and use a magnifier so you can see the connector pins clearly. Make sure to ground yourself. Static can damage the logic board. You're now ready to open the lower chassis cleanly and inspect the port area closely. You'll remove the lower screws and gently pry the case apart, paying attention to ribbon cables that link the lightning port to the board. Once exposed, inspect the flex cable and solder joints for cracked traces or lifted pads. Corrosion shows as green or black residue. Clean visible debris from the port with compressed air, then swab contacts with 90% isopropyl. Avoid saturating. If the flex cable is damaged, you'll plan to replace it. If solder joints look cold, prepare to reflow carefully. You now perform the repair. Replace the flex cable if torn, or reflow suspect solder joints with a fine tip iron and flux to restore continuity. Heat just enough to re-wet the joint. Once secure, reseat ribbon cables and close the chassis, tightening screws evenly. Make sure seals align to avoid dust intrusion. Then test by connecting a known good lightning cable and a wireless charger. Verify charging LED behavior and charging current. If charging fails, try cleaning again and recheck solder continuity with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.